Former MLA of Rangsa-Kona, Zenith Sangma, has officially entered the race for the upcoming Lok Sabha election in the Tura parliamentary constituency. Sangma filed his nomination to contest under the banner of the Trinamool Congress party. The Tura parliamentary constituency is of significant importance, and Sangma's nomination adds an interesting dimension to the electoral landscape. With the campaign underway, Sangma's candidacy is expected to generate discussions on key issues facing the region and the nation.
The youths are running from pillar to post in search of jobs. Jobs are not being created, and lots of other things. So this time, the mood of the people of Garhwal are different. The wind of change is blowing across Garhwal, and because of the lack of governance and also the inefficiency of the present incumbent MP to protect the interests of the people of the Garhwal.
The MLA from North